If you're a busy professional and want to make 5 to 20% a month in passive income without all of the stress of investing in the crypto market and dealing with the volatility, I'm going to show you how you can turn that volatility into a money-making machine using Gridbots. And if you don't want to go through all of this trouble and you just want me and my team handle everything for you, just click the link down below and book a call. That being said, let's get started. These Gridbots can place buy orders when the market goes down and sell orders when it goes up. And they can bring thousands and thousands of dollars every single month as long as the system is set up right. For example, what I'm sharing with you right now is a bot that I set up a couple of weeks ago, and it's averaging around 0.5% a day or $111. In 13 days and 23 hours, it has taken 615 transactions that is consistent buy and sell orders or around 43 daily trades. Or what about this one, where it hit a 33% in its first month of running, which is above a 1% a day. Or even this one, after 2 months of running, it made a 20%, which is around 10% a month. With this system in place, our clients average a 6% every single month without timing the market or taking a single trade. This is one of our clients' accounts. He invested around $25,000 and its first month hit a 1,542 profit, or a 6.07%. So, like I said, the system is way too simple. It doesn't try to predict the market. It doesn't use any crazy algorithm. It simply buys and sells 24/7, earning from those small price movements. Let me show you two of the bots that I have running right now. They have been only running for 12 days, but it's going to explain the idea on how volatility plays out. So I'm going to go to the daily time frame, and you can see, for example, with this coin, we had a drop of about 12%, and now then we went up. But the crazy thing is that the cryptocurrency has been going sideways for the last week or so. And so far, during this sideways movement, you can see how it plays a buy order and then a sell order. It's running with 74K and it's averaging close to 0.3% a day. So its first month is expected to hit around 9% a month. The crazy thing is, if it hits a 9% a month without taking a single trade or expecting for the cryptocurrency to go up, it's already a huge gain. And you can see that every single transaction, every single trade is averaging around $30 in profit, with some of the trades making $58. And again, this is not by trying to predict the price of the market or using any fancy algorithms. This is simply by placing hundreds and hundreds of buy orders when the market goes down and sell orders when it goes up. Now, you might be asking yourself, okay, Emilio, sounds good. That's awesome. But what if the market goes down? Is the bot going to still buying and buying and buying all the way down until your account is drained? And the answer is, in theory, yes. The bot, if the market does go down, the bot will buy and buy and buy and buy. The grid trading system itself is not perfect. There is no such thing as 100% perfection. But inside CVA, what we have done and what we do with our clients is we follow a system. So even if that was the case, the bot will still make a profit. So for example, let me share this with you. The cryptocurrency of this bot has gone down from the moment that I set it up. It has gone down around 5%. Nothing crazy. But if you notice here something interesting, our coin selection is very specific. What this means is that when the price of a cryptocurrency goes down, because we trade coins with high volatility, then the bot will be able to place sell orders when the market goes slightly up. It doesn't even have to go up. Forget about that. It doesn't even have to go up. Every time the market goes down, it will still be able to place a sell order here, here, here. These are called wicks. So think about this for a second. When the market goes down, the market never goes down like this, right? The market, most of the time, 98% of the time, goes down like this. So first of all, settings of the bot. We focus on covering as much price action as possible so the bot is secure and consistently making buy and sell orders. Second of all, the cryptocurrencies we choose, they are so volatile, and when the market goes down, we have these weeks, and in these weeks, the bot will place a lot of sell orders, protecting the bot and making a profit along the way as well. Now, the other thing is the price action. When we also set up the bots, we cover a lot of price action just to ensure that even if the cryptocurrency goes down 20, 30, 40, 60, even 70%, you're still going to be safe. So this is about the system, guys, that I wanted to share with you. If you want me and my team handle everything for you, where we choose the coin selection, where we pick the coins, set up the pot all the way down until the system is set up and running with the goal of getting you at least to 5% a month, then click the link down below, book a call, and we will see if the system makes sense for you. That being said, I hope this video makes sense. Any questions, let us know here, and make sure to subscribe and like this video. Have a beautiful day, and God bless you.